So, I'm out here in the rain with J-Mo.
What's up?
And Just Bob. We're at the Flyers field. And J-Mo just dug a cool little thing. We're not sure what it is exactly, but
I think it's some kind of a rosette or a badge button. I think there's some lettering on it I might be able to get off in this corner over here.
very cool.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Got a spot for a post on the back.
Sweet. We'll keep going. So I just dug an Indian head penny. It's hard to see because it's wet, but it is, let me get the right side up here. Here we go. It's 1886. It's in pretty good shape, even though, like I said, you can't really tell because how wet and muddy it is out here. But that's great. So what do you got?
So I was just telling you, Nate, you dug your Indian head right over here, right?
Yep.
Yep. And about what is that? 7-8 feet?
Yep.
Yep. Got a chordal bell.
Yep. That's awesome, man.
This is one of the early 1900s style, just a knocked copper, but still, it's a chordal bell, sleigh bell.
Yep. Yeah.
You want nothing? What?
Nothing.
What?
Well, we'll keep at it. Bob got something nice.
Hey.
Look at that buckle. Beauty.
Buckle frame.
Yeah, Bob.
Yeah. Nice.
Sweet.
Looks really good.
I got a stainless steel spoon. Not super old, obviously. Hong Kong. It's nice. I still use this one. Alright, Jay, what do you got?
I got one of them slotted spoons with the very, very sharp
Oh, yeah.
points. You know it's old.
Old, yeah.
See some silver plating left
I always can tell they're old by these
by that
the
little nub.
little nips.
Yeah. Got a little silver left on it.
Nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Thank you. Bobby's cleaning up the garbage for us.
Nice.
That's my thing. I'm gonna be what?
What?
All day.
What?
Did you find anything good yet? Besides that buckle? What is that?
I don't know. I think it's like a bell top or something.
Teapot?
I think it was like a bell. I don't
Oh, a
know.
bell maybe. Like yeah.
It's all gone, but
Yeah.
kind of cool and fancy on top. Evil one.
Oh, nice.
Spoon bowl.
That's a West Virginia wedding ring right there.
Yeah.
That's what that is. Good job.
Old knife blade.
Sweet.
Oops. One of those.
Yeah, one more spoon bowl.
Yeah. Sweet. Good job,
Yeah.
Bob.
That's it.
I got myself a nice old fork head. Just like J-Mo's, how it's pointy, so you know it's old. So that's cool. I'll take it. Now I got a nice old silver plated fork. Pretty fancy. Nice. Sweet. Alright, Jay, what do you got?
I don't know, some sort of a knapsack or some sort of webbing type adjustable buckle thing.
Cool.
Yeah.
It's older.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't bring it with me.
Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah.
Alright, well, here's my stuff. I wasn't able to get all of Jay's and Bob's stuff all together, so we'll just do a rundown of mine. All the forks and spoons and pieces and stuff like that. Some more plain weights that are always dug there. Little piece of a harmonica reed, some odds and ends here, iron, another plumb bob, a couple pull tabs. This weird piece of glass here. I'm not sure if it was like an ashtray or what that was really, but I took it anyway. It was kind of cool. This weird tag says not smoked. It's hard to read the rest of it. It says bring good luck or something like that. I don't know what that was. Meat tag or something. I have no idea. Just a 62 Jefferson. And then the only really cool find of the day was this Indian Head Penny, 1886. See if I can't focus here. There it is. Not in bad shape. I'll take it. Bob and Jay did better than I did. It was fun. It was pouring, but fun. Cool. Alright, well, thanks for watching, liking, commenting. Thanks for being a subscriber. And until next time, enjoy the ride.